this is how you can copy and paste in Google Docs without carrying the formatting. So I'm going to just give you an example. If I copy the text from here to my document, you will see that the background is actually being carried. This is part of formatting of this page, and this is even worse on some websites like Wikipedia, where they carry a lot of strange characters and also hyperlinks that you might don't want to have on your document. So we want to get this text only without carrying all the style or the formatting of the text. So let me undo the action, and now to copy and paste without formatting, you have to right click and then click paste without formatting, or you can also use this keyboard shortcut to do the same. And there you go. Now we have only the text and it looks the same as the rest of the document. We don't carry all the background or the formatting of this text. So that's one way to do that. Another way is by just paste it normally, and then you can remove the formatting later. So let me undo again, and let's paste the text, but this time around we carry the formatting. And if you want to remove it, just select the text again, and you can click this option, this menu that says clear formatting. And there you go. Now you might have seen that it doesn't have the same font size as the rest, because this is actually the default font size for my document, which is 12 points. And I think this is perfectly fine, and that it's just it happens to be the other text have the font size to be inflated, but this is perfectly normal. So anyway, I hope you find this video helpful.